Hello, folks. Continuing on the cognitive skill series, today I'm going to share three areas where organizations are replacing creative skills using AI. First is code generation. Developers invest a lot of time to come up with creative and efficient ways to solve problems, taking into account standards and policies. Yes, it is taking significantly less time to write code with AI, but the cumulative toll is more than offsetting the productivity gains. A recent study found that AI was increasing technical debt because AI was writing code from scratch instead of reusing hardened and tested code. As a result, 67% developers are spending more time debugging AI generated code because the code includes outdated dependencies. 68% developers are spending more time resolving vulnerabilities because AI generated code includes insecure coding patterns. And 46% are seeing increase in downstream manual work for code reviews, security validations, and quality assurance. Don't lose the skills of your engineering team. Use AI to help research, learn, debug, and document without giving up control of your development or operations. Second is presentations and proposals. It requires a deep understanding of your products, services, and capabilities to create these materials. When the presenters don't own the material, they will struggle during discussions and negotiations. In one example, judges are increasingly getting frustrated with lawyers who are citing precedences that were a result of hallucination by AI. Use AI as a research assistant to filter and narrow your search. Use AI to even brainstorm ideas, but create your own content. And then later you can use AI to refine and polish that content. Third area is marketing materials, articles, blogs, books, images, and videos. Now, when you delegate creativity to AI, the content will lack the emotional connection, the personal experiences, and the individual styles. When I was exploring AI for my own website content, most of the content it generated were cliches and overused marketing phrases. They did not really come across as my natural way of communicating. So use AI to guide your creative process. In one experiment, when creative writers received 5 ideas from AI, their performance significantly improved. Further, the writers who had low creativity scores, they performed at par with those with high creativity scores when they were given these ideas. So next week, I'll conclude this series on cognitive skills to share why critical thinking is even more important in the AI world. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.